So Larry and I went out on the kayaks today. We're over here in the Hammocks State Park. That's Bear Island that we're looking at right there. Larry's sort of up there in the distance. I'm not sure if I can zoom into him or not. But we're following the kayak trail. We're turning around now. But the looks like the tide is coming in, so that's going to be helpful as we start making our way back to mainland over by where those houses are. But it's been pretty calm until about 10 minutes ago, and the wind started picking up, I guess, as the tide moves in. So that's going to be nice for us going in. So thought you'd like to see what it's like out here in the marshlands. It's in the 80s, low 80s if that, and has been an absolute perfect, beautiful day. So we're coming back from kayaking, and luckily we got the tide is coming in, so we're pretty much not having to paddle. We're able just to sit still, and the water is actually just going to move us to where we have to go. How nice is that? Just a nice, lazy river kind of pace.